So this is reading the I2C BME280 environmental sensor. So I imported the I2C BME280 sale example program to CC2640R2F Sensors BBCCS workspace. And then I enable the X generation. So what we need to port to simple ENB sensor CCS project is this for initialization and this for reading. So the BME280 read pressure, temperature, humidity C function is used to read the compensated sensors data of pressure, temperature, and humidity. So the temperature sensor data is used to compensate the value of pressure and humidity. So here, the pressure value is divided by 1000 because this is in Pascal. So to display it in kilopascal, here, you divide it by 1000. So same situation with the temperature and humidity. So before porting this project to simple ENB sensor CCS project, you need to inspect further what changes need to be done to the simple ENB sensors to be able to port this properly. So here, change if there's check if there's changes needed at board file. So here, and then check for include option. So this one is specific for the use CPC function in BME280 support. Okay. So I already flashed the X file of this example program to the CC264 auto flashpad with sensors push to pack. Okay, so here's the bar. So the sensor data, pressure, temperature, and humidity. The humidity, you can actually increase the relative humidity by breathing out to the BME280 sensor. So this is the simple ENB sensor CSS project. So I copy the same BME280.c and BME280.h to the application folder. And then at the BME I2C BME280 sale example program, I copy the BME280 support.c. So we need to set the include option for the POSIX header file uni standard.h. So properties, include options. So it's variable, select variable. Select this and extend source TI POSIX CSS. Okay. So the uni standard.h is in the POSIX CSS /CSS folder. Applying costs. So the unistandard.h is a POSIX header file. So according to the docs folder, to use TI POSIX with TI RTOS kernel, simply add the following line to your kernel or application configuration script. So this one, copy, go to app.ble config and copy this. Save. So if you do not do this, you will get build errors related to unistandard.h. So okay. So this is the I2C BME280.c from the cell example program. So just copy this one, include here, and then include the BME 280.h. Okay, and also copy paste this at BME 280 support. Let's see, and then copy this. Then I'm going to set a converted data to float the pressure, temperature, and humidity. Copy this, paste here. And then create a function for BME20 init and BME20 read. So static void, just copy here. Then copy the initialization code here. So we need, and this one. Okay, for the read, and then I convert it to float. Press F. Okay, that's about it. So just put the if not defined display disable on. Then called simple ENB sensors BME280 read here at the periodic. Then copy this. So okay, it changes to press F. So okay, so what happened is when there's Bluetooth connection, the periodic clock will start. The one shot clock will start. Then every 5 seconds, it will read the BME to a zero pressure, temperature, and humidity, and set those sensor data to the characteristics for press car, temp car, and humidity car. So I rebuild all and then flash the X file to CC264 out of Launchpad with sensors booster pack. Okay, so there are build warnings. So I forgot to call this BME280 init, and there's a redefinition of macro success at BME280.h. So I just rename it. Then I call this init here, BME280 init here. So okay, so I rebuild all to generate the X file and then flash to CC2640 out of Launchpad with sensors booster pack. Okay, so I already flashed the X file. Now you can read the pressure, temperature, humidity, okay.